Hey guys, Jim here back with another quick e-bike video today, taking a look at a handlebar extender. I picked this one up on Amazon, maybe 10 bucks. I got it during Prime days. Noticing a trend here. Handlebar extender, very, very simple idea. It is not actually to extend the handlebar. That would be ridiculous. It actually gives you a second handlebar. So how it works inside, most of the kits, they're all the same as you're gonna get a bar. Sometimes they're metal, sometimes they're plastic. I would recommend, at a minimum, make sure you at least get something that's solid if you're clamping stuff onto it. The idea behind this is to be able to center things on your bike and to extend how many things you actually mount on your handlebars. It also comes with two clips. One clip will clip to your existing handlebar. The second will clip to this. A lot of people use this to mount something in the center like a camera or a GoPro, or if your handlebars are slightly curved and you want to have more displays like your cell phone or any other things that you want to look at, any screen, this would come in handy. I'm going to throw this on the bike and we're going to take a look at it real quick. All right, I got the handlebar extender installed and I want to give you guys some thoughts on it, lessons learned, all that wonderful stuff. First and foremost, inside of this clamp, there's actually two small plastic C-rings that connect. And they're in place mostly to give you a spacer because they don't know the size of this. This is a universal mount. So there's actually two of those clips. I can show you one of them here. Okay, and you're wondering, well, geez, why do you only have one? Well, my handlebars aren't exactly the most symmetrical. And I knew this when I bought this bike. I did a video on build quality from knockoff brands. There are some things with my bike that just don't work as well as they should. And there are definitely some design issues on how the curves and the symmetry of this bike was machined. But that's fine. Because of this curve here, I had to actually change kind of how this one's installed. I'm actually only using one of these clamps. I don't even have the other one on. I went ahead and I wrapped it in electrical tape and I clamped this piece on. Now remember, the whole point of this is just to pinch this in place. There's a bolt here that just snaps around here, and then you have the other bolt on the top. This one's universal, or not universal. This one fits well because it came designed this way, but they don't know what this is gonna be. So what I did was I wrapped mine in electrical tape. It actually sits kind of off to one side. You can see there, it's not even actually on totally straight, but this thing doesn't move. So the intent is actually being met, and I'm okay with that. And I went ahead and I took my cell phone holder and I moved it from down here up to here just as a placeholder for now. I'm gonna get a little bit nicer one later on, but I just wanted to show that it does work with basically any mounting stuff you have, which now gives you a little bit more room for stuff, and it's square instead of, if I mounted stuff like when I had my phone on before, if you watched any of my bike riding videos, everything was always off to one side because this isn't straight. Well, this is straight now. And even though that the bracket part of it that connects it to my handlebars isn't necessarily straight, this bar is in fact perpendicular and flush with the front of the bike. And I think it looks really, really, really good. Keep in mind with a lot of these aftermarket parts, they are not built to your specs. So there are gonna be some nuances. Understand that there are gonna be some limitations of how things are mounted because it's basically aftermarket trying to bolt stuff on. Everything is not one size, everything is not universal. There are some nuances, there are some curves, there are some non-symmetrical parts in your bike that you're gonna experience, but if you're looking for something, I think this fits the bill in terms of a handlebar extender. Now, if I decide to finally pull the trigger on a GoPro, I can mount it up here. I can put my cell phone mount over here and whatever else I want over there. And I think it looks pretty clean and I'm happy with the way it turned out. But just wanted to give a wrap-up video on the handlebar extender. I'll post a link to this in the description box below. There are a zillion different brands. Just keep in mind that whatever you get, you're probably gonna have to come up with a different mounting solution than the one they recommend, unless your bike is exactly the way they designed it. Most times, universal means a little bit of piddling. Thanks for watching.